Okay, this is a background. We carry many important things in our luggage, and all the time we are afraid that someone might leave our luggage in the train or any vacation or public place. However, we might forget to protect our luggage. We might lose our luggage and someone might rob it. If stranger unlock our luggage with incorrect password, it will generate a warning alarm. As the component like resistor, battery and capacitor, for the safety purpose, we build the luggage security alarm as an alert to someone who want to unlock our luggage without our knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, this is a
Luggage
statement.
security.
Some
Yes.
travelers have faced problems losing their luggage during the vacation time at different countries. They might lose most of their valuable things by some irresponsible person who knowing or unknowingly stole their luggage. To prevent this luggage from getting into wrong hands, we have produced an idea to help these people by creating an alarm system and passcode to their luggage. Okay, this is a component. Got 9 components. First 7486 IC, then N-gate, third one not gate, 4 switch, 5 LED, 6 buzzer, 7 battery, resistor and capacitor.
Kenapa tu? Ada benda yang kat dia air tu. Dah bersihkan tapi air dia mesti ada lekat lagi tengah benda ke. Dekat dia punya buka-buka kot. Kat bawah tu buka tak dia punya tu.
Yang mana, madam?
Sorry
Oh, bukan dengan kita. Okay.
Sorry, masa ni bising.
Okay, this is
Masa ni bising dengan. Ya.
Okay.
okay, this is a block diagram.
Kejap.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay,
Saya teruskan.
okay, this is a block diagram. First insert incorrect passcode, then wrong passcode. Okay, then red lights turn on, then buzzer sounds. Okay, this is our circuit diagram. Okay, the
Kau punya kemat mana?
Ya, madam.
Kemat. Tu table mana?
report, madam.
Ada dalam report, madam.
Asal?
This is a slide, madam.
Sebab yang ni slide. Oh, madam letak dalam slide KMAT tu.
Ada dalam report?
Report word.
Tak apa, sekejap lagi. Buat yang ni dulu.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a conclusion. The luggage security alarm has made it easy for users. The buzzer will sound and alert the people surrounding the luggage when the user insert an incorrect passcode for more than 3 times. Okay, this project, the logic gate that we use are XOR gate and gate and not gate. Okay, by the realizations of the above proposed system, one can learn a set of digital luggage circuit. It gives the complete knowledge of designing luggage security alarm-based system and developing the software by using multi-SIM. By implementing this cheap and easily system, user can safeguard their belongings no matter wherever and whenever. Okay, thank you.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Boleh rekod kan? Boleh back?
Tak tahu, madam. Okay, madam. So, yang ni truth table dia. Okay. So, saya kena tunjuk circuit, madam. Okay, madam.
Cepat, 2 minit lagi dah.
Okay. So, truth table ni untuk XOR gate. So, kita guna preset dengan input. So, bila preset kita, value dia mesti kena sama dengan input. So, baru dia circuit ni akan function. And then, so for the...
Bagi saya tengok whole circuit. Bagi saya tengok whole circuit.
Okay.
Saya nak tengok whole circuit tadi.
Okay. Here's the whole circuit, madam. So, dah saya run dulu lah, madam. Hello.
Ya, betul. Tak ada buat apa.
Okay, madam. So, yang ni preset dia. Yang ni input dia. So, bila preset dia sama, dia akan, luggage kita akan open. So, bila kita put in correct password. So, madam dengar lah bunyi buzzer dengan light LED. Okay, and then, so, bila input dia pun sama, dia akan menyala balik hijau. So which means hijau tu good to open our luggage. So bila dia punya yang ni LED merah dengan buzzer, maksudnya ada orang ambil kita punya luggage lepas tu insert passcode yang silap.
Yes, madam.
So yang ni just
dia maksudnya dia
yes, madam. Madam.
Maksudnya kalau ada orang ambil password, ada orang kalau in practical, if there are somebody taking your luggage, but without to open your luggage, then the buzzer will be not on, right?
No.
So in practical, if the person take your luggage, they just take your luggage and then they do not open your luggage right away in front of you for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
So in practical, it's actually
that's why. Okay, that's why, madam.
Improvement, a lot of improvement, but I like the idea so far. Anyhow, I would like to ask you, why do you use 12 volt for the voltage supply there?
Okay, because I'm using battery in my system.
Why do you use 12?
Yes, madam.
Instead of 5 volt? Instead of 9 volt?
Yes.
Why do you use 12?
Yeah, supposedly I have to use 9 volt, but
Instead of 9 volt or 5 volt?
Yeah,
Why?
supposedly I have to use 9 volt, man. I mistakenly wrote 12 volt here. It's a mistake.
Well, how about if you're using 5 volt?
5 volt
Is it okay?
boleh juga sebab 5 volt tak boleh, madam, sebab buzzer dia 2.5 and then LED pun 2.5. Saya guna 2 LED.
Buzzer voltage supply dia nak berapa?
Dia saya 2.5
Voltage, ya.
Kalau 2.5 berapa sampai 12 volt kat situ?
Yang ni mistake, madam.
Maksudnya atas sikit pada tu yang tukar.
Sepatutnya 9 volt pun boleh.
5.
Okay. 5 lah. Ya, madam.
Boleh je. So tapi kalau macam dalam simulation, in the simulation, changing of the voltage does not effect.
Yes.
If the voltage is more than the voltage needed by the buzzer, but in the real case, if you are using 12 volt battery, that is crazy. It's heavy. That battery is 4 car battery.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
No, in the real life, if you are using a 12 volt battery, it's very big, and that battery is 4 car battery.
Yes, madam.
So that's the thing that you need to think in practical also when you're doing the simulation. Okay?
Okay, madam. So, yang ni reportnya.
Kan cakap ni crazy ke apa bukan? No, I'm talking about that heavy. I'm talking about that heavy battery.
Faham, madam?
Faham?
Saya kini tersilap 12 volt.
You know what? I got phobia when the student using 12 volt battery. He's bringing that battery inside my room, my office, and then he do something like he just connected the battery wrongly, and then it boom, and then I watch. And then there's smoke in my office. Then I just panic. So so that's how the real life situation is, rather than you just using this in the simulation.
Yes,
So
madam.
when student using 12 volt, I just got phobia.
Okay,
When the
I
student
understand, madam.
showing
I can feel you.
phobia and trauma. Okay, okay.
Okay, so
Because sometimes because I know
madam,
this, because sometimes when the student do the simulation and then they try to, yeah, hello,
your line is
I'm
breaking.
explaining this because
Madam, your line is
uh,
breaking.
you see, is it?
Yes, yes.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm talking. I'm telling you this because if I'm not telling the student about this, then there are some students which just follow the simulation, what's inside the simulation, and then that's horror will be happen.
Okay. I understand, madam.
That horrible thing will be happen. So when you use, so that's why I'm correcting you. If you can use less power, so just use less power. Okay.
Okay, madam. Sure. Sorry for the mistake, madam.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the truth table for the XOR gate, and then
Okay.
okay, and then this is for the output. So as I say, madam,
Okay.
the preset and the input must be same. Then only the luggage will be open. So only the last digit
Okay.
will open.
Okay. I understood.
Okay, and then I latch X and Y output, which is buzzer and red LED. I latch it because it's same output. So the Boolean expression is XY equal to ABCD.
Okay.
And then this is the
Okay.
report. This is the
Okay.
report, and then
Bill
the
of
block. This
material?
is the block diagram.
The cost. The cost.
The
The
total
total
cost.
cost.
Total cost. Oh, okay, madam. I'll answer you later because I didn't do it yet.
What is the total cost?
Um,
Okay.
nine.
Just keep. You add on later.
Oh,
You
yeah,
add
sure,
on
madam.
in the report.
Okay, sure, madam. And then
Okay.
this is the 3D, and then PCB layout.
What's the kit previously? Above circuit schematic. There.
Okay.
Circuit diagram.
Any.
Okay. This is the real. I mean, this is the real circuit which for the real construction.
Yeah, supposed to be, madam, because I found this in Google, so I take this idea from the Google.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
supposed to be like this.
Divide, division task.
Okay, and then the circuit. So this is the division and the difference.
Okay, references. Okay, good.
Okay. That's all from
Okay,
us,
good
madam.
project. Good project and good. Okay, that's all.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next group, please.
ஒன்னும் setup பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம்டா.
Morning, madam.